Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on SafePal. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the SafePal application and then log into your wallet if you haven't done so already by using your login credentials or your biometrics. Now once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now, once you're on the home screen, you can simply tap on BTC or Bitcoin if you see it at the home page. Then tap on the swap button and this will allow you to buy or sell the Bitcoin cryptocurrency based on your desire. Simply tap on the swap button if you wish to receive BTC by selling another crypto. Then simply tap on the drop-down menu to select which crypto you want to spend to buy your Bitcoin. After selecting it, you can type in your desired amount at the right side and then tap on the swap button to start buying your selected cryptocurrency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on SafePal wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.